Our journey begins in Tampaksiring, central Bali, known for its beauty and rice paddies that defines central Bali. This village is not just a place on the map, it's our home, a community, and the location of our factory, where we create handcrafted body and spa products. Join us and learn the art of crafting virgin coconut oil and discover the ancient beauty secrets of our Boreh body scrub. Our workshops go beyond learning. They embrace the uniqueness and spirit of Bali. We welcome you to join us on this journey and discover more about Bali.